The holidays is the best time of the year to market direct because this is the only time of the year you have a very legitimate excuse to become top of mind, okay? Number two, the best reason it is the best time of year is because some of you feel a little awkward walking in with a gratitude gift if you never met anybody. Now it is really not awkward at all. Bringing in anything is just a form of gratitude for the holidays. So utilize the holidays. When I say the holidays, I'm talking about Christmas, Hanukkah, anything up to New Year's. But the holidays is so underutilized. It's my first coaching. I'm gonna give you very specific tactics in a moment. But I wanna make sure that you understand that the holidays is the only time of the year where you're not a weirdo because you say happy holidays 4 times. So you should be following up throughout the holidays, okay? The biggest mistake signing agents make marketing during the holidays is taking in your holiday marketing stuff on or near Christmas. Guess what every notary, every title officer, every appraiser, every client is doing between the 20th and 25th? They're giving presents to the escrow officer and title officer. You do not want your Christmas card piled in with 40 other people who also sent that title officer, that lender, that realtor their holiday gifts. Do not wait until the 20th, 21st, 22nd, because you will be lost in all the other gratitude everybody else is showing them. Your worst nightmare is your Christmas card gets lumped in with 18 other Christmas cards. So there is 4 different people you should be giving some type of Christmas holiday recognition. I call them 4 buckets, okay? There are 4 buckets. You treat each bucket differently. Bucket number 1 is clients that currently give you business. That bucket should be the people that you spend the most thought on. I did not say the most money on. What's going to separate a loan signing system signing agent is the thought behind their clients' gifts. Okay, I do not want you giving the same chocolates to every one of your clients. That's not how you roll, okay? I've already started buying my clients' gifts. I have a couple of them I'm gonna show you right now to let you know exactly what I do. And so one of my clients loves Vans. So I got him a pair of Vans, $30, that is it. He wears Vans every day and they're janky. This is how I need you to think. Does that make sense? Has nothing to do with money, has to do with thought. So when you are buying presents of gratitude for your current clients, this is who you give them to. Now, I also, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love to off-road. So one of my conversations with one of my clients is I off-road with my son. My client doesn't off-road, but her husband off-roads. So I actually got her husband a gift, $8. See, sometimes you signing agents only think of the client, but not the client's family during the holidays. This is gonna give me more kudos than me giving her a present because I'm trying to build authentic relationships with my client. That's why I teach you to make sure you're always looking at what's on your client's desk. This is the time of year you separate yourself from the rest of their notaries. See, especially if you're a backup notary, because the person's go-to notary takes the relationship for granted, you don't. This is for somebody's husband, not the escrow officer, okay? So make sure that you guys are thinking outside the box and giving personal, again, this is only for bucket number 1, which is current clients who give you a handful of business. Consistent business is the word I like to use. I'm trying to give you ROI on building a authentic relationship. Everybody with me on that? Okay, so bucket number 2 is someone who's given you business, period, in the past year. And by the way, this is what you would call low-hanging fruit in the world of marketing. They already know you. They know your business. They know you do error-free signings, but this is the way you bring someone old back to the top of your marketing. That's why I love the holidays. I re-engage with every person who's ever given me business, almost period. And yes, signing services need to be in that boat. Okay, so bucket number 3 is people you've been marketing to, right? So some of you guys have been marketing to new realtors, etc. in the past few weeks, few months. I give the exact same thing to people I've been marketing to. Nothing's different. I give a card, I give one of these. and I just show them gratitude. I'm like, hey man, it's nice to get in contact with you. Hopefully we can do some business in the future. Here you go. Thank you so much. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Very simple. Is everybody with me on that? So my second and third bucket, exact same thing. Super inexpensive. Does that make sense, everybody? Bucket 4 is what I've taught you from day one, how to cold market. You cold market by walking in, showing a gift of gratitude, and saying whatever your normal pitch is, right? Which is the script. But bucket 4 doesn't get a card because that's just a little bit weird. You don't know them. You know what I mean? So like, happy holidays from my family to yours, it just kind of doesn't make sense, right? But Melody walking with the gift basket for the entire office, like, oh my gosh, happy holidays, local signing agent here, just walked in and say happy holidays, you guys, and then go into your normal pitch is appropriate. It's turning the gift of gratitude from something random to something holiday based. Does that make sense for bucket number 4? All right, well, I hope everybody here takes to heart what I said, man. This is the easiest month of the 12 months a year to market. You need to take full advantage of it because the other 11 months doesn't have this very easy conversation. What you do in December determines how much business you'll get in the beginning of the year. Everybody with me on that, right? When you walk into an escrow office of people you've never met, it's literally, I'm just here to bring the entire office a holiday basket. Oh my God, who are you? Oh, local signing agents want to say, I'm here in town and go through your pitch. Does that make sense, everybody? This is the easiest time it will be to market.